Is your furnace failing to ignite, or are you noticing weak, inconsistent flames during a cold snap? A miscalibrated gas control valve could be preventing your heating system from reaching its full potential. Welcome to PartsHnC. In this video, we'll show you how to adjust your residential gas control valve and what technicians check to ensure safe and efficient system performance. The gas control valve is located inside the furnace cabinet, mounted directly between the main gas supply line and the burner manifold. This part acts as the primary regulator, ensuring the exact amount of gas reaches the burners for a clean, efficient flame. The gas control valve often fails due to worn solenoids, gas line debris, or a weakened regulator spring. These issues can hinder the valve's full opening and pressure maintenance. Designed with redundancy, it prevents gas leaks when off, but miscalibration can lead to underfiring burners and safety concerns. A properly adjusted gas valve is important because it maintains the standard operating pressure, typically 3.5 inches of water column, or WC, for natural gas. Before making any adjustments, prepare the furnace for testing. Firstly, ensure the furnace power and gas supply are turned off. Make sure the unit is completely cool before beginning. Locate the downstream pressure tap, which usually requires a 3/16" hex wrench to remove the plug. Use a 1/8" NPT nipple to connect a low-pressure manometer to the tap. Turn the gas and power back on, and set the thermostat to call for heat. Once the main valve opens, observe the pressure on your gauge. To adjust the pressure, remove the plastic cap on top of the valve with a blade or screwdriver to reveal the adjustment screw. Use a bladed screwdriver or a Torx T40 to make the adjustment. To adjust the pressure, turn the screw clockwise to increase it by compressing the internal spring, or turn it counterclockwise to decrease the pressure. Carefully monitor the manometer until the pressure reaches 3.5 inches WC. After the adjustment is complete, turn off the system, remove your gauge, and firmly replace the hex plug in the plastic adjustment cap. If all adjustments are made but your system is still not heating correctly, the internal solenoids or the valve assembly may need to be replaced. Check the link in the description to find the correct replacement gas control valve for your furnace. For genuine replacement parts and repair essentials, visit PartsHnC.com. Subscribe to our channel and stay connected by following us on social media for more updates, repair guides, and product support. Thanks for watching.